Welcome to Factic, the place where flying meets fun and future tech. Today we are talking about a drone that mixes power with style and thrill with control. It is called the DJI FPV2, and it is built for those who want more from their flying experience. This drone is fast, smooth, and packed with smart tools to help you fly better. From its sleek body to the upgraded camera and goggles. Everything is tuned for action, so whether you love racing through open fields or capturing cinematic shots in the sky, this drone gives you both. We are going to look at the design, the camera, the flying modes, the safety features, and the signal tech. Each part of this drone adds to the full experience that makes flying more fun and less stressful. If you enjoy drones that feel alive and push the limits, then stay with us. You might just find your next big upgrade in the world of drones right here. The DJI FPV2 starts strong with a bold design that screams speed and control. It looks like a racing drone but with smooth lines and a clean build. The body is made of strong yet light materials, so it stays solid during sharp moves but light enough to fly fast. Propeller guards can be added if you want extra safety, and the landing gear is built into the frame to protect it during rough landings. LED lights around the drone help with direction and look cool when flying at night or in tight turns. This drone is fast. It can reach over 130 kilometers per hour and gets there quick. The motors are new and better than before, and the smart flight system helps you control that power with ease. You can dive, roll, and twist while still keeping the drone steady. The airframe is made to cut through wind, so the drone stays smooth in all kinds of weather. This is great for racing, freestyle flying, or just having fun with fast moves in the air. The FPV2 has 3 main flight modes for every level of flyer. Discovery mode is best for beginners. It uses GPS and obstacle sensors to help you fly safe and slow. Sport mode gives you more speed and lets you do rolls and flips while keeping some balance help. Manual mode is full control with no limits. You can fly like a pro and do whatever tricks you want. Each mode is easy to switch so you can learn step by step and grow your flying skills. The new Goggles 3 give you a view that feels real and exciting. They show full HD video at 1080p with 120 frames per second. Latency is super low at under 4 milliseconds, so the view is fast and smooth. You get dual OLED screens for rich color and deep contrast. Head tracking lets you move the camera just by turning your head, so the view feels more natural and in control. The goggles also block outside light and fit well for longer flying sessions. Plus, the signal stays strong even with trees, buildings, or other objects. In the way, the onboard cinema camera 2 is also a big upgrade. It can record in 4K at 60 frames per second with better HDR and dynamic range. The sensor is bigger now at 1/1.7 inch, so your shots look cleaner with better light and color. The built-in steady mode keeps the video smooth, but still full of motion. Even during hard turns or flips, the wide lens shows more of the world without warping the edges. And you can pick between different file types like H.265 for editing later. So whether you want action or film quality, the camera does both. Safety is also better in this model. You get dual obstacle sensors in the front and back so it can stop or avoid things. In Discovery and Sport mode, return to home and emergency stop are more reliable even when GPS is weak. This helps in cities or forests where signals may drop. A new training mode starts with slower speed and fewer moves, then slowly unlocks more power as you improve. It also has better signal tools to avoid clashing with other drones nearby. The battery gives you around 25 minutes in slow flight, or about 20 in full manual mode. This is more than enough for races or shooting scenes. It charges fast and protects itself to last longer over time. The magnetic plate makes it easy to plug in, but also lets go during hard landings to keep the drone safe. You can swap parts in the field with just a few tools, which means less waiting and more flying. The signal tech uses the new OCU sync for better range and cleaner video. It can fly up to 10 kilometers in open space with full signal, and it switches between 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz to stay clear of other signals. The system scans channels in real time and picks the best one, so you always get a strong connection. Even in crowded or tricky spots, the video stays clear and the drone stays under control. This drone is also built to be easy to fix. Parts like the arms, the camera unit, the canopy, and more can be removed and replaced with simple tools. DJI gives support and guides so you can fix it yourself if needed. This is great for FPV flying because crashes can happen. And now you do not have to stop the fun, you can just fix and fly again. The battery lock is also stronger now, so it does not fall out during hard landings. The DJI FPV2 is a full package that brings speed, style, and smart flying together in one strong build. It is fast when you want thrills, it is steady when you want smooth video, and it is smart when you need help learning. It feels like a drone built for all kinds of flyers. New pilots can enjoy easy modes and strong safety, while pros can dive into full control and pro-level flying, from the new goggles to the powerful camera to the strong body and smart software. Every part of this drone is made to improve your time in the sky. It is fun to fly, it is easy to learn, and it is ready for big moves or calm shots. Thanks for flying with Factic today. If this drone caught your eye, or if you learned something new, then tell us in the comments. We always love hearing what you think and what you want to see next. Don't forget to follow Factic for more flying tech and drone talk. We will be back soon with more guides, reviews, and cool gear from the sky.